A question that I have been asked recently was, how do I care for and wash felted pieces without them breaking down or changing size? Now, this is a question really that relates to how you can tell when your piece of felt is finished. Because if you have shrunk your felt completely and it's good quality felt, it should be very, very easy to wash in the future without it falling apart or changing size. Usually, felt disintegrates or shrinks dramatically if it has not been worked enough. So, my answer to the person who asked about, how do you wash pieces without them shrinking or breaking down is, are you confident that you have felted and worked your piece enough? Because my suspicion is you may not have. So I like my pieces to have no more shrinkage available, and they're not stretchy, and I have every confidence in them. And personally, I wash my own felt in my washing machine on the wool setting. So I hope that helps. I suspect you need to do more work. Make sure the piece has shrunk fully, it's not stretchy, and then I think you will find it will neither disintegrate nor shrink when you wash it subsequently.